it's not about the sales, the coordination and the unity which we created in SHM, that is a fantastic after this meeting.
The teamwork, which that bonding session, that drill what we have done, it was fantastic.
You know, I was an amateur in the sales, but after this session, I keep my head high and place myself in the industry so that, you know, the focus, the leadership and all the skills are put in place.
It has helped a lot of people understand their strengths as well as weaknesses and how they can leverage their strengths over their weaknesses to maybe, you know, prosper in this field.
I can know about my own capabilities after coming here, after speaking up, after opening up with new faces.
Taking back, I'll be where I have person to guide me, so that is the biggest strength I consider as.
I see these 2 days as one of the formative and sizable first steps as Yellow Spot's contribution in making SHM a successful company in future.
Everyone from the junior most to the senior most participant had a voice, and that's how it should be.
Today what we will show is that how to do the pressure testing of the cylinders. All the markings will be here. If your pressure test is due, then you are not supposed to do the filling. Training Academy was a vision of chairman. For last 2-3 years, they have been thinking about starting an academy. And for that, initially, myself, Mr. Prasad, we had gone a lot of places to get these lifeboats and other things. And then it took a little time, never seen anywhere. A lot of training centers I have gone, they just teach you the basic, what is firefighting, what is life raft, and just show a basic thing. But the actual demonstration with all these equipments, I have not seen, and I don't think in India there is no other place where you can see so much of equipments, where you can see live demo, and each and everything you can feel, touch and see how it works. The main challenge mainly is that, you know, the technicians who come here, my role is to teach them, show them how they have to do the servicing. Our SHM main thing is that safe seas and safe shores. So whatever you do, you should do it in a quality way. What you see in the book is not what is actually. So practical skill development is very important. It is our duty. If they come here, we will teach them. You know, we have got a graduate trainee program where we take them, we induct them into our system, we give them training in all the things, both hands-on, how to interact with clients, each and everything we are teaching here. And it is on a rotation basis. Every 3 months they will be in one station, then they will move to the other station. And that way we are imparting skill to them.
We are dealing with life-saving and firefighting appliances, so the requirements we should be knowing. And we have taken the GETs in different departments of our company, and they will know each and everything what we are doing. So by the time of 2 years, they will know what is SHM and what are all the job we are doing, and they can carry out by their hands. That is what our program.
Vision of our chairman of global technical team should be at Cochin and monitor all India the technical activities and quality systems. After academy is formed, we have the setup, everything is also practical training about all the mock-ups are available, lifeboats, life raft, firefighting, the entire safety systems and all other equipments has been fitted in training center. And this will create a different to industry, so they also can have the
There should not be any negotiation. Whatever the things you are supposed to do, you should think that it is somebody's life. We have to give maximum care and attention while servicing the life raft. We give training theoretical as well as practical. Practical is the important thing. Why? Because once you get a theoretical knowledge, without practical knowledge, it is not enough for the trainees. So when you get the practical knowledge, you will be fully aware of the actual servicing of life raft.